Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how we can create Gantt chart in ProjectLibre. So further ado, let's get straight into it step by step. Now you probably already opened up ProjectLibre and now you want to start with Gantt chart. So let's go. So on the left side here, we will type in some names. So let's go and do that. Like so. I will go short A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, like that. For this chart, let's say that we won't need any start and finish date and time. So let's go and select start, right click on it and then hide column. And also for finish, click on it and right click and hide column, like so. Now for duration, I will just make something up. So let's say for this one will be 7, 8, 6, 9, maybe 12 and 5, like that. This is just for a duration. And now as you can see here on the right side in this, where you see these blue lines and red line, so here it predicts that every name starts the same day, the same hour, and the red line here is always selected as critical. So that means that this needs to get finished on time, this critical red line. Okay, so now we will add these predecessors. So this will give us how this project will go. So let's get straight into it. Now here we will leave that as empty, and then I will type in some numbers from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that because 1 is A, 2 is B, and so on. So let's go, and here I will put 1, 2, 2, and 2, and this one, let's say that we want for 3, 4, and 5, like so, semicolon, like that, and the last one will be 6, like that. Now you can see that this chart right here changed a little bit. And now you can see that we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 critical path. So that we see this a little bit nicer, we can go here to task right up here and then here to network, like that. And now we see in every this place we see duration, start, finish, and yeah, this is pretty cool feature that we can use, that we can track everything in this Gantt chart. So this is basically how we can create this Gantt chart project. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.